So here are some drone pictures of the completed Triton. So when I took these pictures, obviously there is no sound because it's a drone. So you're going to have to listen to me speaking through some of it. But when I took these pictures, this was before I tried to start it. There's a little bit of footage right at the end of this clip about me trying to do the very first start. As you can see, it didn't go to plan. So there will be another video which is going to show me actually, hopefully, starting it properly. But anyway, this is the Triton.
Mission on. Whoa! Well, that fired. And again. But the fact that fired makes me think that it's out. Shit. I'm gonna put my bloody thing on. Why is that doing that? That feels as though it's the timing's out. We'll give it another go.